Healthy cucumber salad to lose fat, to burn belly fat. If you are struggling to lose fat or to burn that belly fat, you have clicked on the right video. Without wasting time, let's go! Here we have 2 large cucumbers. Let's start by slicing it. Cucumber is good for weight loss and hydration. We are done slicing the cucumber. Let's transfer it into the bowl. Into the bowl, let's add a tablespoon of salt, mix it and put it aside for 10 minutes. Into the pot with 5 eggs, let's add in hot water so the egg will take just 10 minutes to cook. Eggs are nutritious, high in protein, also help in losing weight. Next is zucchini. Here we have zucchini. It's rich with many nutrients and contribute to healthy digestion. So if you want to lose weight, this video is for you. We are going to slice it. Into the bowl, we are going to transfer the zucchini. Into the pot, let's put in zucchini and add in hot water. We are going to cook it for 10 minutes. Don't cook it more than 10 minutes. Just cook it half done. Let's squeeze the cucumber to remove the excess water. The salt has made the cucumber to be soft and tasty. Into the bowl, put in the squeezed cucumber. We are going to throw the excess water. After 10 minutes, zucchini is ready. Put it into the strainer and let it to cool down. Can you see? It's half done, not too soft. Into the pot with sweet corn, I'm going to add in hot water and cook it for 10 minutes. It's already cooked, but I just want it to be more fresh. Add a pinch of salt. Let's squeeze the excess water from zucchini. Put it into the bowl. Let's peel eggs. Always put eggs in cold water with ice for it to be easy to peel. Divide the egg, cut it small and put it into the bowl. Sweet corn is ready. Add it into the bowl. Green onion are high in vitamin K, lower blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. So if you are not eating green onion, start eating it today. Dill contains numerous vitamins like iron, calcium, parsley is a good source of vitamin C. Let's transfer the green ingredients into the bowl. Red bell pepper are an excellent source of vitamin C. Let's put in the red bell pepper into the bowl. If you have enjoyed this video up to now, I want to use this moment to say thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. So now, let's go for the sauce. For the sauce, we are going to be needing 1 lemon. I will cut it and use half and squeeze the juice on the top. Into the bowl, we put in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Combine and mix everything together. Here we have our sauce. Can you see that? I can't wait to try this. Now into the salad. Let's pour the sauce and mix everything together. Can you see that? Don't forget to like the video. Leave your comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Remember, when you leave your comments, you give me the inspiration to continue. Into the plate, let me serve you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to love yourself first. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.